Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to remove your Facebook watch history. So let's get started. Log into your Facebook account. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top corner of your mobile screen. Scroll down the Facebook menu page and tap on Settings and Privacy. A sub-drop-down menu will pop up. Tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Your Information section and tap on Activity Log. In the Activity Log, you'll see a list of different types of activity on the header. Find and tap on Videos Watched. You'll now see a list of videos you've watched on Facebook. To clear your entire watch history, tap the Clear Video Watch History in the middle of the page. A confirmation dialog will appear. Tap on Clear to confirm. So, that's all for today. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.